Hello everyone, I hope you're all doing well. My name is Neil and in today's video, we're going to tackle another challenging SAT exam question. Let's get started. Negative x plus y equals to negative 3.5, x plus 3y equals to 9.5. If x and y satisfies the system of equations above, what is the value of y? So we have two equations. Negative x plus y equals to negative 3.5. This is the equation of first line. X plus 3y equals to 9.5. This is the equation of second line. This problem presents a system of linear equations. The point that you should know about this type of questions is that you can add left-hand sides and then add right-hand sides and equal to each other and solve for y or even for x. Okay, negative x plus x gives you 0x. Plus y plus 3y are like terms, so you can collect them, which gives you plus 4y equals to negative 3.5 plus 9.5 gives you positive 6. And you know that 0x is 0. You don't need to write anything. And 4y equals to 6. This is a really simple question, and in order to find the value of y, you just need to divide both sides by 4 to maintain the balance of the equation, and y would be 6 over 4, which gives you 3 halves or 1.5. Both answers are correct. So now you know the value of y. In some cases, the question asks you to find the value of x. The only thing that you need is to substitute value of y, which is 1.5, in any of these two lines. It's up to you, and then solve for x. So, see you in next video. Bye-bye.